So, hi everyone, welcome to the second part of our World Happiness Report data. So, right here we've made the top 10 in each category, and we only left out the dystopia and residual. So, I explained what dystopia residual is in my previous video. So, we would now see how we would work on each of them, and I showed you how we could get insights from the assistant. So we can get it from this or from this. So let's come and talk to the assistant first of all and see what the assistant can give us. So the source data is here. So you can see our source data. Let's say select our source data. So our source data for to give us insights will be what we're looking at, which is the for my content, we go to the World Health Report 24 down here. Okay. So we wanted to show us a list of relevant fields that may be useful. So we'll now ask it that for insights. Well, let's say create dashboards. Create dashboards from the data. So once it creates a dashboard from the data, let's encounter a problem, constant admin. Let's ask it to do it again. I seem to having a problem. So let's be able to do this. But let's say create a report. Let's try the agentic AI. Let's create a report from my dashboard and also select the data source. Let's see. Only cross-tab relations are supported. Just said create dashboard. Okay, so we created a dashboard. Oh, we just created a dashboard. It didn't give us insights. So let's go back to it. Set it to insights. Show insights from country name. Show insights from generosity. So let's say show insights from health and life expectancy. Supposed to give us a dashboard along the way. So let's see. It says top insights. Still not what I want. So column. So this is more like what we've done already. Country name. It's not really what we want, but telling us information about country name, usage, attributes, text type. explain their generosity. So you can relate with all of this, which you've done already. So let's do this. There's something I want us to do. So it was giving us a which we've seen already, giving us scatter plots, giving us bubble charts, giving us box plots, table. So we basically have this already. It's not really assisting us right now. So there's something that I wanted to do. I could reduce this a bit. Let's just reduce it a bit. Let's get three charts in here. So we could make a copy of that's command C, command V. So outpower is by country name. Let's change it to a free map. Okay. We have okay, so this works a bit. We see Finland is featuring data score. Lepawiska. We can also remove the legend from this since the country is already labeled. So wherever we have country name, we can turn them off on the properties. Go to the axis. This title. Some of the axis title here too. So what we're doing is just trying to see how we get our charts in front of us. Here we said we would take the bottom bottom 10, the draw, bottom 10. It's Lebanon is the bottom 10, followed by Sri Lanka. We're having two Sri Lankas. We'll check why that's coming up. We could do something which is to so we're going to check the table why we're having two Sri Lankas. Let's both of them. Once we're creating a new one, I think our numbers will create Tanzania will be the second to the last and not the last again. Ukraine has come in now, so because we bundled Sri Lanka together here. So let's save our work so we don't get to lose it. So we can see some comparison here where we have Sri Lanka. Sri Lanka's falling right beside Botswana for our ladder score by country name. Let's say Pawiska, Sri Lanka is higher than Botswana. Health life expectancy, Sri Lanka is higher than Botswana. So let's do something. Let's say Switzerland, maybe, let's say select Norway and the Netherlands. So for dystopia, Norway is lower than the Netherlands. You can see at natural sense it doesn't fall into the generosity gap, it doesn't fall into the life expectancy gap. That's interesting. So let's see what we can take out of our chat to make this. So right now we can now bring in health life expectancy by country name, social support by country name, freedom to make life choices, the generosity by country name. So I want us to put together the health life expectancy table. So we'll bring in our data set alongside let's say GDP, and we change it to you can see some kind of similarity, but let's change it to a change it to line graph alongside line and column graph. So let's see. So we have the so it doesn't really change much. Let's see where the match will fall in. Freedom to make life choices. Let's place it along financial support, social support, generosity. Let's take social support. Okay. I think we'll do the final customization in the last video and get our final insights from it. Thank you very much.